Greetings, young scholars and scholar-like people. This is the time to get your grubby little hands, some grubbier than others, on those mouses and clickers or whatever you're using to hit the like and / or subscribe button. In this video, which should be around number 6, I will be doing a quick presentation on the Powerline 880 pellet rifle, pneumatic pump, whatever you want to call it, with a scope, of course. Another leftover from Easter, which happens to be a chocolate bunny with the ears and most of his head bitten off, and a hollow point .177 caliber BB. Actually, it's a pellet. There is a difference. I will be reviewing not only the Powerline 80, but also different types of pellets and BBs. Please enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed or liked it by now, you should get on that. You don't have much time left. So here we are on my deck. I have the ammunition right here. Let's see what we can do. Looks like a solid KO. So I'm still trying to find it, and apparently a piece of it actually hit my cameraman. So I'm gonna put that in really slow motion, see if you can see it. Also, remember, always wear eye protection when using airsoft guns, BB guns, pellet guns, and even real guns. They are not always toys. After some pretty intense looking, I found what was left of it. This clearly shows the devastation that a hollow point round can do, even in pellet gun form. So, good shooting, and all in all, let's eat.